Hi, I'm David McBride from Course5 Intelligence. I'm here with Elea Feit, who is the Assistant Professor of Marketing at the LeBeau School of Business at Drexel University in Philadelphia. Hi, Ellie.
Hi, great to be here.
Thanks for joining me, and thank you for your willingness to present at the Course5 Compass conference on May 14th. Your presentation is titled Test and Roll. Can you tell us a little bit more about what that is all about?
Yeah, so I've been teaching A/B testing to business school students for more than 10 years now. I think we actually met when you were a guest speaker in one of my classes. One of the things that had always bothered me was occasionally we would tell people to compute their sample size in advance, and they actually wouldn't have enough customers that they could achieve that sample size. And that got me thinking about, where does that sample size formula come from? And I figured out that it actually makes absolutely no sense for A/B testing. And when we're A/B testing, we're often thinking about a situation where we want to test on a subset of the population and then deploy the better treatment to get that benefit. You know, we're not scientists here trying to find out truth for all time. We're trying to make a profit. And so the subtitle of the paper is actually Profit Maximizing A/B Tests. And we actually come up with a rational way to plan and analyze A/B tests that makes sense when your goal is to test and then roll and deploy something and earn a profit off of it.
So it's action oriented. It's very focused on doing something with the information, not just finding something out for information's sake.
Yeah, we're not doing A/B testing so that we can like tell our friends which advertisement works better. We're doing A/B testing so that we can provide marketing communications that drive the consumer actions that we're looking for.
Excellent. That sounds great. So what do you see as some of those applications?
I really actually think it's most important for sort of mid-size advertisers. So if you're Facebook and you can run a test on 1 million users without worrying about it, then it probably doesn't matter as much. But if you're a mid-size advertiser, say you have an email list of 10 to 100,000, this is going to make a big difference in your A/B testing program.
Great. Well, I'm sure our attendees at the conference are going to get a lot out of it. Thank you again for your willingness to participate. I look forward personally, and I'm sure the rest of the audience will get a lot out of it. So please, if you're listening in, please register Course5 Compass. You can find that information at course5i.com, and we look forward to seeing everyone on May 14th. Thanks, Ellie.
Great to be here. Looking forward to it.
All right.